Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. Home to beautiful beaches, stunning sunsets, and amazing outdoor activities. Oahu is the perfect place for a vacation. From exploring the bustling city of Honolulu and taking in the attractions at Waikiki to discovering the amazing culture and history of Hawaii, there is something for everyone here on the island. With equal parts city life and endless beaches, Oahu is my go-to recommendation whenever anyone asks me which island to visit first. Here are some important things to do while visiting Oahu, Hawaii. The Park Shore Hotel in Waikiki Beach is a favorite among frequent visitors to the island. It is ideally located. You are just a crosswalk away from the beach. Waikiki Beach Walk is the go-to spot when in Hawaii. It has everything from one-of-a-kind boutique shops and award-winning restaurants to weekly activities and live performances. The Diamond Head crater hike to the summit is short but steep and absolutely worth it for the phenomenal views. Humaluhea is the largest botanical garden on the island of Oahu with over 400 acres of lush tropical scenery and plants. The best part about Humaluhea is that the admission is free. The Byodo-in temple was established on June 7, 1968 to commemorate the 100-year anniversary of the first Japanese immigrants to Hawaii. Just a 5-mile drive northeast of downtown Honolulu, the Nuuanu Pali lookout offers panoramic views of Kualau cliffs and lush windward coast. Oahu beaches are not to be missed. Oahu's best beach is Lanikai Beach because it delivers all the elements necessary for the perfect beach experience. Experience a unique piece of World War II history at Pearl Harbor, where you will find museums, memorials, landmarks, and more during your visit. If you are visiting Hawaii for the first time or nth time, you need to attend luau.
Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. Today we are going to watch the beach walk in Oahu, Hawaii.